viewers, welcome to my channel iTech Solution. Today I will discuss another page setup options for headings and grid lines in Excel sheet. So you see here print preview. This is the heading of column A, B, C, D, E, F, etc. And this is the 1 2 3 4 numbering is the row heading options, but you know that these are not required to print in our worksheet, and in case you require, then you can on these options. And today I will show how you will on these options and off these options of heading and grid lines from the page setup options. So let us see. For this, you go to the page setup options, and then you see the grid lines and heading here. Where check mark is there, yes, print headings, and this is grid lines, print grid lines. And if this is on, then we see the grid lines and the heading options. And if it is off, suppose heading is off from this option, then it will goes out, the headings will go out from the preview. That is, there is no column heading and rows heading here. So if you don't require in the grid lines, these grid lines, that is grid line option, print grid line option off, it will show off your preview, the grid lines has gone. So it is a simple thing that you will always look into, where this is checked and this is checked. It will show you all the grid lines which is required or not required as per your requirement. So this is the options, and these options can be off from other options. We try for this, which is in the page setup from this preview or print options here, preview options, and then the page setup dialog box. And here you see the sheet option is also here, and here is also checked grid lines and off the checked row and heading options. What is to print grid lines, what is to print row and column heading. So it is checked and unchecked. Okay, yes, it is gone. So there is second options I have shown you. So please go for this if you require to on and off these options from Excel sheets. So thanks for today, and I will go for other problems in my next video. Thank you.